one of the most loved events that happens here in Winona during the holiday season. We are waiting anxiously for the Canadian Pacific Holiday Train. So what's that? You're wondering. It's been going here. It's been going across actually a lot of the upper part of North America. I heard Santa. We'll find him. We'll find him. Since 1999. And it's an activity that raises money for food shelves, local food shelves, and also raises food for food shelves. So what you see behind me, people are going through this entryway and they're bringing food donations to go in and get up close and personal to the holiday train. Word is that it's going to be here in a couple of minutes. It's coming up from La Crosse, where they were last night. Then it's going to go from here, I think Wabasha, not sure where after that, maybe Red Wing. And everywhere that they go, we'll show you in a second, it's just packed here. It's absolutely packed full of people. Old people, young people, and by old, I don't mean old, I mean like mature people. I mean, I don't know if they're mature, but I mean like people older than children. Okay, there are generations of families here together, and it's a beautiful balmy day in the Miami, Minnesota. It's about not quite 40 degrees, I think 38, 39. Anyway, it's great snowball packing weather, and I hear the train coming. Okay, wait, we're gonna run in there right now and get the train coming in.
Good morning.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Thank you.
Can you hear the train, you guys?
We didn't hear you.
They cover this train with lights, the whole thing. It's better at night, but I mean, it's still good during the day. When they get here, they're going to drop open doors and abandon this area. I think, if I recall, the total number of stops is like 200 or something like that. It's a lot. Here is, I'm refreshing. Okay, I'm going to let Todd show you the train. Let's do that. So what's the big deal, you're wondering, right? It's a big train rolling in, a bunch of cars, I forgot how many cars. But what's going to happen is somewhere along here, the doors are going to open, things are going to come out, and a band is going to play, and they are doing this at stops all the way along. I just looked really quickly while Todd was showing off the train. It's 168 concerts that they're doing on this holiday train journey that they do. They have Canadian stops this year also, and they just added Maine, so it goes across like all of the northern part of the United States and into Canada. And the big deal is that they have so far raised $21 million in funds and 5 million pounds of food for the communities that they stop in. So amazing benefit and also amazing amount of fun. Okay, all right. Look at, we're right in front of the door. dog was stronger, so that I could sit on his shoulder because I'm short and I can't really see. But look how this little kid is so excited. You know, I saw this little dog with watching, waiting, excited. Everyone's excited. And there's hot chocolate here too, guys. I have to find that. I realize it's anticlimactic. It's not. Let's talk a little bit about December in Winona, okay? So, first of all, I'd like to show off my mittens. I bought these at one of the winter artisan markets that happen in here. They're felted wool and they're all like flannel on the inside. You can't. No, just for how warm these things are. I definitely don't need them today, but I love them so much that I wear them all the time. Which brings me to another question. Do you know how to wash felted mittens? Somebody just put it in the comments and tell me, because if you watched our last Facebook episode, I talked about having a felted hat that I washed, and then it turned into this kind of little doll hat. So I don't want to do that with you. Anyway, artisan markets going on. There's pop-up shops and there's artists that are selling their wares in local gift shops and in places that were originally gift shops or gift shops now. And also as far as local gift shops that have things that you just can't find anywhere except Winona. Very special and unique items. We've got the Winona Visitor Center open Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's got like all this cool Winona swag. And then there's the Winona County History Center, has a great gift shop in it. The Minnesota Marine Art Museum has mind-blowing gift shops in there as well. And then Orono Gifts is another spot downtown that has a lot of artisan goods in it. But check our event calendar.
Can the food bank representative please report to the...
We get notices about these pop-up shops, and we have them all. And I can't rattle them all off, but there's a lot. And it's such great stuff. Also, all of downtown on 3rd has got Christmas decorations in the store windows. I don't want to say every single store did it, but a whole lot of them did. And I saw stores that did it this year that have not done it in the past. I'm hoping to get down there before they take the decorations down and get some beautiful photos that we can put up on our Facebook, because it's just beautiful. And there are houses around Winona that are decorated like I can't believe it. I think that there's a map that the visitor center has knowing where some of the best decorated houses are, but it's a great like twilight car tour to drive around. And we've got our cool restaurants are all holidayed out. I was just at Nosh, and they have like a really cool December menu, different than their fall menu. And it looks pretty, and the movie crowd looks pretty. I was in Muddled Time. Oh my God, what a great place that was. We're gonna go do a Facebook Live from there sometime, where it's all like these craft cocktails and light bites, ideas, things like that. Anyway, Winona is just crushing it right now at Christmas time. And remember, I mean, this is Miami, Minnesota, so it's a little bit warmer than anywhere else. I just heard them call the representative for Winona. I'm pretty sure that's Sandra Burke that they're looking for, which is a bummer because we were also going to go look for Sandra Burke and talk to her for a minute. I was hoping she would tell us exactly how much we can raise locally, but I guarantee you it's a lot. All right, so can we go find Santa? Yeah. You see him? I don't see him. Maybe he's on the train now. here's what we're gonna do because I hate standing still. I hate it. So we'll walk. We're gonna walk up along here a little bit and take a look at some of these rail cars and see what we spot out.
Hey, what's up?
I'm trying to just do like a crowd guesstimate right now. There have to be 800 people here.
I just was for real, of course.
You're giving away cookies too.
Even the mayor of this town will come on.
It's so crowded. I don't know how we're going to get. Okay, we'll go down.
Well, there's Santa.
Santa? Okay, let's go say hi. Of course, I mean, it is Santa.
Yeah.
Here, go get a little footage of Santa. Give him away candy. But I can't resist. It would be rude to cut in front of the kids. She asked for a blue candy cane.
How am I gonna get my jacket on? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I gotta get
You been good this year?
I need to get a jacket on. I don't know this year.
What's that? Yeah, she said she wants to be.
Look at my jacket. How am I gonna get my jacket on? I just got it.
It's crowded. While we're still waiting.
I do. Shorties.
Shorties. Oh my gosh. So now, so now they call it Shorties, like apartment building because it burned. That was the saddest thing ever because they had the best like Reese's good breakfast and they had the best like dive bar cocktails. Kind of legendary, and I think people still talk about it today when it's like, oh, you can only have a Shorties breakfast. So anyway, now it's an apartment building. I don't think it's different. And then you know what? If that band doesn't start up, we're going to wrap it up without the band because I'm running out of things to rattle on about. Shocking, I know, right? It's kind of like Steamboat Days, you know? It brings out people I have never seen before. I've lived in Winona for 28 years. And, you know, from the work that I do here and from being at the newspaper and all of that, you know, you begin to think maybe you know everybody. And this is proof positive. I absolutely don't. In fact, I don't think I know anybody here except God. And Burke, that directed the Winona Beach Shelf and Winona Volunteer Services, which does amazing work. They have classes, they have a great shop that's a retail shop that has all different types of clothing in. And they have, of course, a beach shelf that helps a lot of people in our community and every year. Put food on the table when the resources just don't have quite enough for the community. So, this is a fun event, but it's also a great reminder of the important work that this stuff is doing. And I see the stage dropping. Let's look at that for just a second.
so great to see all these kids here. It's so great to see communities come together like this. It's what the holidays are all about, right? Hi, how are you? Well, we're gonna do one more here before we get out of the way. Could you guys sing along with me by any chance, just in case I mess up some lyrics? Yeah. Hippopotamus with his face. Only hippopotamus will do. I don't want a dog, no big particular toys. I want a hippopotamus to play with and enjoy. I want a hippopotamus with his face. I don't think Santa Claus will find you. Won't have to use a dirty chimney flue to bring them through the front door. That's the easy thing to do. I can see you beat now on Christmas morning. Oh, try to wait some time.
I gotta go fight the kids right now. So.